In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix an error which is unable to save permission changes. Access is denied when trying to make any changes on a specific file folder. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to select the folder that you are currently facing an error with. By that, make a right click. Okay, and you need to go with this properties. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see the properties of the specific file folder that you are that you have selected. Please proceed with security, and from here, go with this option called advanced. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you need to go with this honor, click on change. Okay, and you need to set the current user account that is being logged in your Windows. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start to check what is the current user account that is being currently logged in here in your Windows. In my case, how to fix guides is my current user account. So once you have find it, you need to go with advanced, go with find now, and eventually it will show you search results. Please adjust the size of this name column, and then you need to scroll down and locate for this user account that is currently logged in your Windows. So once done, click on OK. Click on OK here, and you need to check this box which is replace honor on subcontainers and objects. Once done, please click on apply and click on OK. Okay, so once you've set it here, you need to go with this add option. Okay, and here you need to go with Sapal, click on advanced here, and then click on find now, and you need to select again the current user account that is being currently logged in your Windows 11 PC. Once done, click on OK, and click on OK here, and check this full control. Okay, so once done, you need to click on this down arrow key and go with allow, and then click on OK, and then click on apply, and then OK. Once you've set it here, you need to select your user account, go with edit, okay? And you need to select it here and make sure that it is in full control. Once done, click on apply and then okay. Click on apply and then okay. And try to open again the file folder. I'm sure it will be working this time. Okay, now that's it. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.